Hi Tritons, this is Simon here with the Triton Transfer Hub, here to talk about your transportation options on campus. In today's video, we'll talk about the UCSD Shuttles, so let's get into it. UC San Diego offers multiple shuttles that help bring students around campus, as well as to hot spots around San Diego. There are two ways that you are able to see an active map of the UCSD shuttles currently in service. On mobile, you'll download the TransLock app, where you'll see a similar interface to the one used in this video. On your laptop, you'll use the transportation website where you'll also find an interactive map. I just selected the inside loop and am now able to see all of the stops that the inside loop has, as well as the current location of the buses. By selecting the Gilman Transit Center, I can now see when the next bus will come, as well as other routes that stop here. In order to see when specific UCSD shuttle routes are in service, you'll locate the transportation page, specifically the Triton Transit tab. Under here, you'll be able to select the specific route you'd like to look at. For this video, I have the inside loop selected. I can see that its operating hours are weekdays from 6:45 a.m. to 10 p.m. and on weekends from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. This can be helpful to check as certain routes, such as the Convoy Grocery Shuttle, only operate on weekends. That's all for this video, Tritons. Stay tuned for part 2, where we'll see if it's quicker to walk across campus or use the shuttle. See you then. Bye. Hi Tritons, today Malia and I will be racing to see who can get from Warren to the Muir Tennis Courts first.
I'm going to be taking the shuttle and Simon will be walking, and we will see who gets there first.
See you there. It's 3:58 and Malia's just getting on the bus. Let's see how everyone's feeling. So far, so good here.
Hey guys, it's Malia, the Triton Transfer Hub. I am going from Warren to Muir. It is 3:58 right now. I just got on the bus. So we'll see what time I get to Muir.
As I started my walk, I ran into peer coach Arlette. I decided to walk towards Library Walk to take the most direct path. Here's our map at 4:03 p.m. It's only been 5 minutes and the sun's already getting to me. Hopefully Malia's feeling the heat as much as I am.
Okay guys, so it's 4:03 right now. I've been on Warren to Muir shuttle. Right now we're kind of near Center Hall. I've just been reading my book, Never Eat Alone, and it's been a chill, fun time.
Let's see where everyone is a few minutes later. The uphill walk is starting to get to me, but as I see Sun God Lawn, I feel inspired as I know I'm getting close to the finish line.
Okay, so it's 4:07. We're kind of near Rebel right now. I'm pretty close to Muir College, but we just made a quick stop. I still think that I'm gonna get to Muir before Simon does.
I made it to Muir. Hopefully Malia hasn't made it to the tennis courts yet. There's no way the shuttle is that quick.
Okay, so it's 4:11 now. I just got off the bus stop. I think I won.
As I start my walk downstairs, I get the worst text ever. Malia's off the shuttle. How did this happen? As I approached the Muir Tennis Courts, I knew I had to accept defeat. Not only had Malia made it 4 minutes quicker than me, but she hadn't even broken a sweat and read 4 pages of a book. In the spirit of good sportsmanship, we decided to go to Mom's Coffee to celebrate both of our hard efforts, and cheers that Sun God Lawn. Bye, Tritons.